I want pizza for dinner at the buffet.
No, we're not having pizza for dinner at the buffet. We're having chef salad, spaghetti and mashed potatoes.
No. I want pizza for dinner at the buffet. Not this piece of crap.
You're not having pizza for dinner at the buffet. Now eat your dinner and then we'll think about seconds.
No. I'm throwing this dinner in a garbage.
Young man. How dare you throw your dinner at the wall?
Shut the hell up, Dad.
How dare you tell me to shut the fuck up? That's it. You're getting kicked out of the buffet and you will be grounded.
We are going home right now because you threw your dinner in the ground.
Why do you misbehave in a buffet? You need to behave by learning your lesson.
Shut the fucking hell up, brother, sister, mom, dad. I don't have to listen to you all. I wish you were all dead and cremated.
How dare you threaten us? That's it. I'm gonna put a nappy on you.
No.
There. Now your nappy is on.
Now you talk like a baby, decently, or else I'll blow.
Oh no, I did a poo-poo.
Your nappy will stay on for a rest of your life, and you are grounded for life. This means no phone, no friends, no TV, no movies, no video games, no internet, no computer, no parties, no restaurants, no bundles, no anything, and furthermore.
That's so not fair.
Go to your room now.